Hello and a warm welcome to my channel. Ask me a stock and I will cover it for you from a medium to short to long term perspective based on the studies of Ichimoku, which is a Japanese based study on multi time frame analysis, and harmonic trading patterns, which are derived out of Fibonacci. So, if you would like me to cover a stock for you, do write it in the comment section, but please do note it should be from the large, mid, or small cap segment, none of the micro cap stocks, please. A disclaimer: this is not a trading or investing advice to you. This is an educational talk purely based on the studies of Ichimoku and harmonic trading patterns. Please do your study thoroughly and properly before taking a decision on investing and trading in the stock. Please also note no money has been charged for this at all. It is completely free. Now, today's talk is Berger Paints. Berger Paints is India's second largest paint manufacturing company and fourth largest in the world. Its revenue breakup from decorative segment is 80%, from industrial is 20. 94% of its business is within the country, 6% goes to exports. In the last 5 years, it's given a healthy dividend payout of 35.8%. The stock was a derivative stock till recently being removed from FNO. So now it is only a cash segment stock. Now, before I go into the analysis of the stock, I would like to inform you that my courses on harmonic trading patterns, Ichimoku, and trading psychology, risk management available. These are made in videos or PDF levels and PDFs, chapter wise, level wise, breaking into small videos with loads of examples of both bullish and bearish scenarios. Both Ichimoku and harmonic trading patterns are available in Hindi as well as English. So, whichever suits you, you can select. Trading psychology and risk management is an extremely important aspect for traders. Most traders are either not aware of it or completely ignore it. And that is one of the prime reasons why we get to read reports from SEBI that 90% traders in the market are losing money. The course is extremely detailed and also includes bonus material, which are studies which other various technical studies which complement harmonics and Ichimoku trading patterns, how to do relative rotation of sectors, that is which sectors stand out strong at any given moment of time, which are weak, and within the sector which stocks stand out, how to assess which option strategy should be done on the basis of the market trend and plus your risk appetite. You may not be wanting to be at any particular time over aggressive or defensive. So based on that, and ultimately SWOT analysis, which is a self assessment kit of to analyze regularly, periodically on yourself without disclosing your crucial confidential trading and its financial details to anyone, on where lies your strength, where which you can continue to work focus on, where is your weakest, where you need to improve, where are your opportunities to improvise, and threats where in the market segment certain things which you should completely stay away from. The details of the course are there in the link in the description box. You can check it out. And if you have any doubts, you can shout out an email to me and I will get back to you on that matter. Now let's go and analyze the stock properly. Now I'm going to focus on Berger Paints like I've always done and you all have been watching in my videos on a top-down approach. So I'm going to start with the quarterly time frame. Quarterly, we can see beautiful returns to investors since then. An Ichimoku investor has always made money in this, never violated the Ichimoku quarterly baseline, given phenomenal returns so far. In fact, recently came, tested the baseline, and gave an opportunity again to go long. Previous happened in 2012. Not even in the pandemic did it come close to the baseline as it had during 2008 during the subprime crisis. And now again that test has happened. You can see how beautiful the return has been for investors in the stock. As per the quarterly, the support is at 475 with a resistance around 550 for now. Let's have a look at the monthly time frame. In the monthly, you can see that investors are not getting any return since 2021. Stock has gone completely sideways, and the segment has been basically been more of a time-wise correction than a price-wise correction. The dip is not so severe, but there has been no contribution, and we've seen how beautifully our markets have performed overall. But this stock has been a underperformer from 2021, and that could also be the reason that when the other segments of the market were doing average to okayish, this one was a rank performer. So we can say some sideways time-wise correction happening in the stock right now. In the monthly time frame, the support comes in at 500 and then at 475 with a resistance at around 550. The future Kumo happens to be bearish currently in the monthly time frame. Now in the weekly time frame, the stock has interestingly, because of this time-wise correction that we see in the stock, you can see the stock is likely completed a triangle out here and suggesting now for a major upside possible in the stock. As you can see out here, five legs of the triangle appear to be complete with a 38% retracement of the entire previous uptrend move. So both bullish signals out here. In the weekly, the support is at 515 and then at 475 odd levels with a resistance at 550 right now, 550 as per Ichimoku, and then at 625 for the stock right now. Let's have a look at the daily time frame. In the daily time frame, we've seen the whole market could take a pullback in particular, and now today a very sharp recovery in the market. The daily has come and closed at a support. If this support does not hold off 540, then we are talking about 500 odd levels to 500 515, which is the next support line, and resistance currently at 560, and then this trend line out here at 600, and then all the way here at 625. So overall, in my reading, the stock is ripe for an up move based on the triangle that I'm seeing. So if I were to invest in this stock or I were to accumulate, then I would look at the accumulation zone on the downside, any panic dip to 500 to 475, while on the upside till 600 odd levels, I would like to accumulate both sides evenly. No, not going to be aggressive or defensive on either side. Big wide range of coverage of 640 on the downside, 60 on the upside for a decent upside possibility of around 800 to 875 in the medium to long term, because such stocks, they have their tendency to then perform very well, and we should not rule out that aspect. Yes, if the stock fails to hold 430 odd levels, then it's in danger. Then this triangle is a failure. We have a lower high probability in the making, because then the next support straight away comes in at 325 and then all the way down to 235. So at the current juncture, it looks like a good risk reward setup for upside to me, and one should not go over aggressive instantly, just accumulate it steadily for decent returns on the upside. Now, I hope this video is of help to you. So please do like it, share it, and do follow me for regular stock ideas. Until then, all the best with your trading and happy investing.